Hello everyone, this is the EBJV affiliate, and in this video I am going to be looking at Listingflow.ai. I am not affiliated with Listingflow.ai and their products in the sense of earning by recommending their software, right? I am simply doing this review to recommend it to my viewers. So let's get into it. Oh, and another disclaimer. With regards to my content, you should always feel free to do your own due diligence. There's nothing wrong with doing your own research, right? So let's get into it. So as you can see here, this software allows you to generate AI-powered real estate listings. So I'm gonna be speaking specifically to people in the real estate industry. So if you are a real estate agent, investor, real estate investor, broker, or even a brokerage, right, you would know that this is a great time to be in real estate, right? Housing prices have been going up at varying degrees. And as a result, in order to manage your time effectively with creating listings or even paying attention to those that are already out there, you must, and it is important that you look into an AI solution that can automate something that you're doing, whether that be generating listings or some form of email marketing automation system for reaching your prospects, right? So Listingflow.ai actually works with real estate entities such as Keller Williams and ReMax. There's ReMax, there's Keller Williams. This carries me to, when I click on ReMax, it carries me to Outboundflow.ai. Let's go back. Click on Keller Williams. It carries me to Outboundflow.ai. Right, so apparently it seems to be Outboundflow.ai might be a similar system to Listingflow, or it might be a case where they work together with Listingflow. I'm not familiar with Outboundflow.ai, but I came across Listingflow.ai and it intrigued me, and I said to myself that I think this is something that I could recommend. Let's scroll down. Right, so systems such as these are typically predicated on speed and intuition, okay, built in to their performance. Right, so the more speed there is, the more intuitive performance there is, the higher the engagement is with regards to these types of systems. Right, you can see their features here. They're international as well, supported. They support 20 plus different languages. Right, so they're living up to some form of flow there, right? They're flowing across the world. So they're in flight currently, as I would say. So they're speaking specifically to real estate agents. I'm not saying that if you're not a realtor that you shouldn't be watching this video, right? There's always something that you can learn. So for example, if you are already into the industry of marketing automation or lead generation automation, for example, right? If you have if you're a business owner or entrepreneur or a marketer and you have clients in the real estate industry, whether that be realtors, brokers, etc., you could recommend something like this to them, right? You could actually incorporate this within your services. That's true. So these are the different languages that they cater to. Wow, they even cater to Lithuanian and Arabic. That's interesting, right? So apparently they have their tentacles entrenched or wrapped around, right? Whichever one you prefer. They're able to stretch out and grab these different languages. I like to use metaphors, by the way. Sometimes they get the better of me, but such is life. Right? Made for real estate professionals. So they give you early bird access. Well, early access. I don't know where did I get the bird from. Oh, they say that the early bird catches the most worms. So see what you can catch by getting early access to this. They have user cases on their website, or reviews, simple reviews. This is their pricing. Right, you might be saying to yourself when you look at this, there's not much difference between both. But it really depends on what you want and what what the end result, what you think the end result will be. Right, one says here, the $19 plan says normal support. The $199 plan says premium support. We all know there are different levels to everything, right? So it really comes down to context and what that means to you. With regards to any platform that you're checking out, any form of integrations, any resources, you always have to approach it with the mindset of there are different levels to everything. One particular thing isn't going to be the be all and the end all. Right, so as you can see here, pretty much straightforward. Right, there's nothing to there's nothing on well, at least at first impression, there's nothing to burst your brain about, meaning to think about too much here just by looking at their website. They present things in a fairly simplified manner. That's what I'm trying to say. Fairly simplified. So some aspects of it might seem to still be in an early stage. And then again, it might depend on what you are looking for, as well as what their target audience is. But you can still get early access. You can still get early access to it. So feel free to check out their website. Right, I'm not affiliated with them. I don't earn any commissions at the point of recording this video or doing this video. I don't earn any. I'm not earning any commissions from this particular software or for recommending it. Just want to make that clear. Just wanted to make that clear. Don't forget to subscribe if you're watching this on YouTube. If you're watching this elsewhere, feel free to stay connected. If you're watching in YouTube, remember to hit the notification bell in order to receive updates with regards to content that comes out. Thanks for tuning in. I will see you in the next video.